Well, I guess I would say that nothing's more irritating, at least to me, to make a phone call and to have to talk to a machine when you'd like to get an answer, and it seems that to to get a a human being, the end of the line is sort of what you expect when you make a phone call, and when it's a machine that you're talking to, the personal part of the business disappears. So we try to answer the phone. It's not rocket science. It's just the way it is. And I guess one of the Joneses doesn't always answer the phone, but at least we're available. And and if someone wants to talk to us, we're here. That's our business. We want to be here. We want to talk.